kwa certificate hamwe na diploma itendekere lyambara Institute of Health Sciences and Management bahaburwa kufayo munonga ukongera abitabo byabo babase kuba bomugasho umunseje.
Omukoro gwo kujwe kabeji gwatandika na band eyayebembera abagenyi okuza kwiguraho omwanya omusya ogombekirweho ahi abanasi barabenu bashomera. Ori principal w'itendekere Kyabera Vincent yasima government ahamwena n'ebindi bitongore ebyo byamagara ahabo kubashagika omuringo yona.
Through the Ministry of Education and Health for the efforts they put in the proper training. They are the ones who regulate the training and they are the ones who supervise everything. We thank you very much.
Oguyahiga abajwara okuba abamazima aho baraze ngo kandi bakaguma bari professional aha mirimo yabo kibabasise okuba abasinguzi.
Of your levels of professional education and you are requested to upgrade to other levels and the sky is the limit.
Ogugo abaguri omukoro gwa kabiri ogwo kujwe kabeji kuhitendekero ritandika kandi abajarira izoba n'abaherize mishomo yabo okutandika n'umwaka wa 2016 okwisya hati abeji bona abajwara babani barenga omuri 292 ari kugambaho aha mukoro nigo gumwe ori chairman wa board of directors Frank Mugabe Rwabinumi yahiga abeji okureba nguti bakoma aha diploma na certificate ebatungizo beri.
If you have gotten a certificate you can go for a diploma, and if you have gotten a diploma you may also pursue a degree.
Wabariyo mjenyi mukuru Joseph Okware, Director wa Regulations and Governance o Ministry y'ebyamagara yatabarusya beji ahabo kwikahidare rindi kandi yatabarusya abatandikira itendekereri okureba ngo bakagumisiriza babasa kuraba ombwire bwa COVID obwabire bugumire.
We must congratulate the founders and the board of trustees of this institution. They went through difficult time of COVID times, but they held on the vision and they persisted and persevered. They dropped every coin to this project and we can see the fruits.
Okware yatabarusya beji abajwara kandi yabahiga okutamani aha bintu bina ebiyabagambira ebirabahwere okuba abasinguzi.
Do advocacy so that we have equity. So please go forth and deliver care with kindness and respect.
Abeji n'abazeire bayureka okushemererwa habo kuhika aha kitinise eki.
Nimfuranye no kushemerwa komana munonga aha kwizobere eritwire stegerize kumara kwire buringwa.
Being a medic is not for the weak. First of all, we read books and I'm inspiring all people outside there to join the journey of being medics.
Aha mukoro ogu habaho okushemeza abagenyi na nebizino ebyenzara. Habaho okushara keki nkakamanyiso ako kujaguza na mnonga ahari yabo abaheza kushoma hamwe na n'obusinguzi obwo kwiguraho department eya nursing and midwifery. Amakraga gashakwa Job Kato ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.
Job Kato aba makurago kandi makuru